Every organization needs a privacy program because every organization manages information about its customers, donors, employees, and other stakeholders. But what is a privacy program and why should your organization care? Hi, my name is Wade Emmert. I'm a Texas attorney, board certified in health law. I'm a certified information privacy professional and certified in cybersecurity. Before we dive into privacy programs, let's define the concept of privacy. In 1890, a young lawyer wrote an article for the Harvard Law Review titled "The Right to Privacy." In that article, he wrote, "Recent inventions and business methods call attention to the next step, which must be undertaking for the protection of the person and for securing to the individual the right to be let alone." Instantaneous photographs and newspaper enterprises have invaded the sacred precincts of private and domestic life, and numerous mechanical devices threaten to make good the prediction that what is whispered in the closet shall be proclaimed from the housetops. That young lawyer's name was Louis Brandeis, and 30 years after he penned those words, he would be appointed to the Supreme Court of the United States. And those words, drafted more than a century before, continue to resonate. The right to be let alone by the government or by business is even more precious today given our digital world. Yet being left alone may capture the spirit of privacy, but what does that really mean? The American Institute of Certified Public Accountants has created the generally accepted privacy principles that define privacy as the rights and obligations of individuals and organizations with respect to the collection, use, retention, disclosure, and destruction of personal information. With that working definition of privacy, what exactly is a privacy program? Simply put, a privacy program is an expression of how an organization recognizes, respects, and responds to privacy interests. It is a framework of organizational values expressed through policies and practices that dictate how the organization manages data throughout the entire data lifecycle. That is, how the organization collects, uses, retains, discloses, and then destroys that data. The concept of privacy always involves personally identifiable information, which means the information is linked to specific individuals like customers, clients, prospects or leads, directors, donors, officers, employees, partners, and many other stakeholders. So, for example, take customers. This may include their purchasing history, demographics, addresses, buying preferences, credit card information, email and website analytics, or any other information about your customers and their interactions with your organization. For employees, it could be their contact information, social security numbers, medical or occupational disabilities, payroll information, retirement plan details, or educational records. Considering all of that information and more linked to specific individuals, how does your organization collect, use, retain, disclose, or destroy that data? You need look no further than your privacy program. And if your organization doesn't have a privacy program, well, that says something too. By the way, privacy and security are different concepts, but we often use the term privacy program to describe not just privacy policies and procedures, but also the ways organizations keep that information secure. There can be no privacy without security. In future installments, we'll explore why your organization needs a privacy program and how to develop and implement a program in your organization. And along the way, we will tackle other privacy issues dominating the headlines. See you next time.